Did you know you can make $10 to $30 per thumbnail without being a professional designer? Today, I'm showing you a hidden AI trick that literally pays you for creating thumbnails fast. And yes, anyone can do this from home. Hey everyone, welcome back to your favorite AI channel. If you want to make real money online using AI, hit that like button and subscribe. Today, I'm revealing exactly how I earn $10, $30 for each thumbnail I make using AI step by step. And you can start today. The first step is picking the right AI tool. Some of my favorites are Canva AI, super easy for beginners. Adobe Firefly, perfect for realistic designs. Midjourney, amazing for creative and unique visuals. With these tools, you don't need design experience. The AI does the hard work, and you just tweak colors, fonts, and layouts. Pro tip: use trending styles in your niche, gaming or finance. Not every thumbnail sells. You need to know what people click. High-paying clients want thumbnails that grab attention instantly. Look at these patterns: bold, readable text, high-contrast colors, close-up faces showing emotions, and curiosity hooks like $100 in 1 hour. Notice how these elements make viewers stop scrolling. That's what makes thumbnails valuable. Let's make a thumbnail together. Step 1. Open your AI tool. Step 2. Choose a template. Step 3. Add your text. Like earn $30 fast. Step 4. Upload a realistic face or AI-generated person. Step 5. Adjust colors and contrast. Boom! In less than 5 minutes, you have a professional-looking thumbnail ready to sell. Now, where do you get paid? Here are the top places. Fiverr, set up a thumbnail gig. Start at $10. Upwork, find clients who need daily thumbnails. Etsy, sell pre-made thumbnail packs. Pro tip: start with low prices to build reviews, then increase your rates to $20, $30 per thumbnail. Once you have clients, you can scale fast. Offer bundles like 5 thumbnails for $100. Target niches with higher budgets like finance, tech, and AI. Build a portfolio and showcase your best AI thumbnails. If you do 5 thumbnails a day at $20 each, that's $100 a day without leaving your home. Here are bonus hacks. Use AI-generated faces for unique thumbnails. Track trending YouTube videos for style inspiration. Offer custom designs for urgent orders. They pay more. Automate repetitive parts with Canva or Photoshop AI templates. If you want more AI money-making secrets like this, subscribe and hit the bell. Comment AI thumbnails if you're ready to start earning today.